In today's business environment, we face an explosion in the volume, velocity, and variety of data we have to manage. It's a data tsunami. And because the value of this data tsunami decays rapidly, there is tremendous pressure to capture, analyze, and make decisions at an ever-increasing pace. To handle this challenge, data centers, businesses, and the applications they run must be re-envisioned. The servers themselves are still a fixed resource. But what if servers were more flexible? What if they could be as big or as small as they need to be? This is where TidalScale comes in.
What is a software-defined server? Exactly. It's a collection of individual network servers which, when combined together, form what looks like a single large computer. We can now, for the first time, adjust the size and the power of the computer to fit the application, instead of what we do now, which is to adjust the application to fit the computer.
Our software-defined server combines a cluster of nodes into a single large virtual machine. In order to work, it has to guarantee distributed, coherent, shared memory. This allows you to size the computer to the problem. It does all of this without a single change to the guest operating system. It has to virtualize CPU, memory, and I/O. It has to mobilize all these resources so that they can move around the cluster.
The key new innovation is the development of a real-time machine learning engine. This allows us to continually optimize the performance of the software-defined server.
Our machine learning layer brings two crucial advantages. First, you can learn and resize your software-defined server based on your application's needs. You will always have enough memory or CPUs, but no more than necessary. Second, we can optimize how resources get distributed, even through cases of multiple applications running simultaneously. In addition, we adapt to changes in applications' behavior. This happens automatically without requiring prior application characterization.
Our value proposition is unique. It is resonating with both those that run the data center as well as those that use the data center.
UTSA is a public university that is focused on research. We have many researchers that have vast needs for compute and storage, but they have limited access to the systems that can actually provide those resources. We found that the #1 limit to research was lack of access to the right size of the compute resources and storage resources that they needed to get their job done. TidalScale became an integral part of my research beyond that because they fit that need. I can scale downward, that's no problem. I can use virtualization. They give me the ability to scale upward.
So at Circle, we actually analyze and process a lot of data. And we need a lot of computing power in order to be able to give our customers insights in real time for that particular data so that it's useful to them as well as to their customers. And with TidalScale, what we have the ability to do is add computing power at scale on demand. So with TidalScale, Circle has the ability to bring in data from hundreds, if not thousands of sensors, get that data into a format that would allow us to visualize and provide value to our customers.
As the world is going to software-defined everything, Lenovo is also going big on the software-defined data center. You've seen it happen with networking and storage, but it really hasn't happened in a meaningful way for compute. Virtualization allowed everyone to consolidate workloads, but it didn't address large or dynamic workloads. TidalScale software-defined server is a compelling technology to address these limitations. Lenovo specifically thinks that TidalScale software-defined server is very interesting for large in-memory databases, big data, and even analytics. Additionally, we think many data centers have a significant amount of untapped resources that TidalScale software could unleash with its ability to compose compute infrastructure on the fly. Lenovo is really looking forward to working with TidalScale as we redefine the data center of the future.
The industry is taking notice. We're earning a lot of recognition, and we're attracting the support of respected investors and partners. Our customers include some of the world's largest manufacturers, financial firms, and educational institutions. Software-defined servers are the future of compute. With TidalScale, you can deploy tomorrow's server today.